Today what we're talking about is solving systems of equations by substitution. We have specific steps that we're going to follow, and we're going to go through those every time. So when we're solving by substitution, step one every single time is we have to solve at least one of the equations for one variable. In this case, we don't have one of them already solved for one variable, so we have to do step one. You don't always have to do it. This time we do. So we're going to solve this one for y. Why, you might ask? Because it's the easiest thing. Y is already by itself. So to get rid of the minus 2x, we add 2x, so we have plus 2x. That means y is equal to 2x. What we're going to do with that now that we have this is step number 2. We're going to substitute this into our other equation. We can replace anything with its equal, so we take the 2x and we put it in the place of the y. I'm going to rewrite that equation as 5x plus 3, parentheses, 2x, is equal to a negative 11. Now I just multiply. 3 times 2x is going to give me 6x. I have my 5x still, so 5x plus 6x equals a negative 11. Now I'm going to combine my like terms. This is still, I'm just trying to solve for this x. This is actually step 3. I'm solving this equation for this one variable. I have 11x is equal to a negative 11, and I divide by 11. Now I've got x is equal to a negative 1. Now that I have this, I can put it back in either one of my top equations. Again, I'm going to choose this one right here. It's going to be the easiest for me. So I've got a negative 2. I know that the x is equal to a negative 1. So it's negative 1 plus y is equal to 0. A negative 2 times a negative 1. Negative times a negative is a positive. 2 times 1 is 2. So this is going to be 2 plus y equals 0. I subtract 2, subtract 2. That cancels out. I have y equals negative 2. Now all I have to do is write my answer as an ordered pair. It's going to be negative 1, comma, negative 2. I have one more example for you on solving by substitution, and this is the real doozy of the paper. What we've got is fractions, fractions, and more fractions. So in order to solve this, we're going to have to do quite a few steps, but we're going to go through everything in the exact same order. Step number 1, we're still going to solve one equation for a variable. I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to choose y. It's already by itself. I subtract 1/4 x, so I subtract 1/4 x. Now I'm going to rewrite this in the other order. So this is going to be y is equal to a negative 1/4 x plus 10. Now I'm going to take this, and I would put it right in here for y. First I'm going to make this equation a little bit easier to work with. I'm going to get rid of the fractions by multiplying by the lowest common denominator. Multiply by 6, multiply by 6, multiply by 6. This is now, half of 6 is 3x, one third of 6 is going to be 2, plus 2y is equal to 30. Now it's a little more manageable. I put in my negative 1/4 x plus 10. Still going to have to work with fractions, but I'll save that till later. So I've got 3x plus 2. In place of the y, I've got negative 1/4 x plus 10 equals 30. Distribute the 2. I have 3x plus. Now here's where it's going to get tricky. 2 times a negative 1/4 is a negative 2/4, which reduces to a negative 1/2. So I have negative 1/2 x plus 20 equals 30. I'm going to combine my like terms here. 3x minus a half x is going to be 2 and 1/2 x, which I'm going to rewrite as 2.5. That's 2.5 x plus 20 equals 30. I subtract 20 from both sides, and I've got 2.5x is equal to 10. I divide by 2.5. You can do this on your calculator, or you can just Move your decimals. Move my decimal over. How many times does 25 go into 100? Simple. X is equal to 4. Now that I've got x equals 4, I'm going to go all the way back up to the top and put it into one of my equations. I'm going to choose this one because when I take 1/4 times 4, it's going to pretty much eliminate. 1/4 of 4 plus y is equal to 10. 1/4 of 4 is 1 plus y equals 10. I subtract 1 from both sides of my equation. Y is equal to 9. X is 4, y is 9.